Hello friends, welcome back again to our channel, the Educator channel. In this ongoing tutorial on virtual classroom system with Google Tools, we want to look at how to set up a CBT training system for your students on Google Tools. That is the idea of CBT, computer-based training, is to help children to be able to learn how to answer online questions within the stipulated time. When a child is told that you are starting an exam by this time, and the system is set that it must end at a particular time, once you get to that time, the system closes up. So you can use Google Tools, what I'm going to show you right now, to train children on how to target time. Unlike in our normal classroom system, most times in schools, they will say a particular exam is 1 hour. But you go to that exam hall, in 2 hours time, some children are still writing. They give a lot of excuses. Hey, my paper tore, I couldn't see it, I started late, this and that, and you're worried. Some of them, by the time you look at their works, even in 1 hour time, they have not done anything. You are asking yourself, do I maintain the strictness of the time, or throwing away humanity, or do I, you are confused. But once the children are made to know that there's a time, and that time, once you get to that point, everything closes up. Then on their own, they're going to sit up. So that's what I'm going to do here. And I'm going to go to classwork and show you 2 things you need to do that will set this like that. Now let's go to classwork and create. Let me just go to assignment. I ask simple question. Class activity. Maybe I'll simply write, I say, list any 5 Google Tools and their key functions in virtual classroom system. You understand? So because I say 5, let me leave the points as 100. So each one has 20 marks. I can still put 5 marks, making this one mark and all that. Do you understand? Now, I will be the one to tell the children when I will tell them, as I'm setting this question, I must have told my class and say, see, this exam starts by so time. And look at the due date. So 2 things I'm going to do here now. Number 1 is due date. This due date means the time they must stop this exam. Once you get to that point, they must stop it. So if they write beyond that, if they submit, it's not going to go through. They are not submitting to me anymore. So they will know it. And I'm going to set the time the exam starts exactly. So let me go to due date first. So I put it this way. Okay, this is March 26. Assuming I want this, the due time. Now the due date is what I want. That's today. And I want to change the due time that this particular exam will stop by exactly 2, look at it, p.m. 2 p.m. Now I will also now I've done this. I will go to this place. Look at this point here. After assign, I'm going to click on it. And I want them to start this exam exactly by 1 o'clock. Yes. So it's a 1 hour exam, 1 to 2 p.m. So I schedule it. I will write, look at it. This 1 p.m. exactly. So this exam starts by 1 p.m. and ends by 2 p.m. Exactly. So the children, keep on doing your revision now. Keep doing your revision. Once it's 1, log into your account and start the test. Once it's 1 o'clock, the test is already there. But if they log in now, they won't see any test. That's CBT for you. They wouldn't see. So no child will say, I'm going to play smart. Let me start doing quiet on time and take advantage of time. No. So even if you check now, you won't see anything there. The thing will be ready by exact one. So if you're also sleeping and it's beyond one, it's your business. So once it's one, keep on reading, keep on doing whatever you're doing. Once it's one, log in, exam starts, and you can't write that exam beyond 2 p.m. because once it's 2 p.m., you can't submit anymore. So having done all of this, I'm not going to, if I want to put it under a scheme, I can put that. I now click on save. I've done this. It's scheduled. So the children will not see this exam, but I'm going to make an announcement to the class and say, children, your work is ready. Your exam starts today by exactly 1. Once it's 1, log into your system. The exam is already there. If you go on there and you're not going to see anything, some children want to play smart, they won't see anything. But 1 to 2 p.m., no less, no more. And that's exactly. By the time you do this often and on, you are training them on CBT. So all this one you are talking, 1 hour can just try. No, this is how to do it. Those who started late will be blaming themselves. Those who will be wasting their time, by the time they submit, nothing is being submittable. So by the time you do this 2, 3, 4, 5 times, you're already training the kids on how to crush it when they go to jump exams or whatever, any type of exam that is using CBT system. And this is exactly how to train your kids on CBT using the Google Classroom. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. You can as well join our ongoing training on virtual classroom system with Google Tools. Let me know through the comment box and I'm going to add you to the class. Thanks for your time. God bless you.